Well, here's the setup, and there's my little jig for doing the flywheel, and it just bolts on to the front. It's got a turn front to the exact same size as the it's a 32mm bore on the inside, so I machined that exactly to 32, then bolted 10mm through it, and just to hold it on. Now I played around with it a bit more this morning, and now this is how much run out we're getting. That's going to be well and truly within tolerance. I'll set up the cutter now so I can take the little cut, and then that will be all back to where it should be. Sweet. Oh yeah, that's good. Well, it's all been machined quite nicely. Just giving it a good clean with some brake clean. I had to change over the cutter to a one of those cobalt bits because it was just a bit too hard on some of the, you can sort of see where these little heat marks are. It was very hard on them, so the high speed cutter wasn't doing it, but it's all done. Now I can think about if I wanted to take some weight off the back, but that's a thought for a bit later, I think. Alright, sweet. Well, here's the setup that I made for doing the flywheel. It's actually an old judge's gavel that I was given. It was basically just scrap. You can see sort of parts where it was turned on. You would hit the top up there, but we didn't have the whole lot, and it was just sort of a mock-up thing that someone made at a friend's old work. I basically just turned this down, so we've got a flat edge at the front here. That little step there just goes so it hits the front of the jaws. Drilled and tapped out to a M10, and just had it, so that's 32, same as the flywheel, DNF of the flywheel, and that basically goes on there, and just put the flywheel on there, it locates off that. Then it doesn't matter about this being all sloppy because that just pulls it onto the fascia of this, so that's as simple as it is. Sweet.